Hello everyone, welcome back to Insta Famous Model channel. Keep watching. This video, don't forget like, subscribe and share this video. Love you guys. Actress Jess Gonzalez was originally born in Osnabrück, Germany, but grew up in Vigo, northwest Spain. She attended Identity School of Acting, City Lit, Maria Beltran and William Layton among. She is also director and co-founder of the production company Pappas Theatre Productions, with whom she's produced Matryoshka's Journey, Lessons to Dissect a Heart and Crush. Jessica Gonzalez Campos' age is NA. Check below for more deets about Jessica Gonzalez Campos. This page will put a light upon the Jessica Gonzalez Campos bio, wiki, age, birthday, family details, affairs, controversies, cast, height, weight, rumors, lesser-known facts, and more. Thanks for watching this video. Please give a like, comment, share and subscribe. Love you guys.